Yeah, old girl that she don't want me to work. She been coming here early, goddamn. She told me,
Hey,
just coming.
yeah,
She
you
ain't
can,
mad
yeah.
at me, no, she just don't want me to get, she don't want me to
Yeah, I
work.
already know.
Yeah, so I feel but I didn't get that to do all of my, I got that to do 4 hours period. You know, like,
It's all good. You getting it.
but if I can get 5, 6,
Let me get that.
I'm gonna get it.
Let me get that. Don't make me stand it. It ain't your money.
She makes
you get that money.
Yeah.
You try to make
No,
it
that's
think
her
it's your money.
bonus. That's her bonus.
Man, shut that shit. You still, I need it.
But I ain't tripping about it.
Man, but I want it. I ain't tripping about it, but I want it.
If Neil tell me to get it, I'm getting it.
I'm getting it.
Cause the next somebody else you gotta do is fuck with Miss Lumley.
Oh, Lord. After that, I'm out to pick. I ain't got nothing to
Nah, Miss Lumley don't tell me bullshit. She don't tell no Miss Lumley. Oh man, shoot. Miss Lumley called me way. I done worked at two more stores. Miss Lumley got about 8 or 9 stores.
That was so get them.
I'm talking about this shit. That's hers. You hear me? Yeah. But all of them is toward Fort Worth way and stuff. See, that's a closer one she got in Dallas area. You hear me? All the other Chipotle like we see in Dallas, now she ain't got none of that. All of hers back toward Fort Worth.
Oh, that's them dogs over there. They weird, ain't they?
Yeah.
You better chill watching before you get through that gate. You going back home now, they said.
Yeah, that's what it, no, is that the public?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's good, man.
Get your boy, come on. Get your boy, come on.
Mike, that's a habit. Hearing this here? Yeah, it is. Yeah. I wonder.
You wondered him.
Of course. Yeah. You tell you, I went.
Like you say, it goes together. How would you say with a good joint?
Say, what you talking about? That's the best thing I can do in the world. And the cigarettes.
Ah,
hey, nah, I mean, and I'm talking
what?
I'm talking about, you know.
Yeah, with that, you gotta have that. With that, you gotta have a good cup.
Oh, man.
You got a good taste. Nah,
I can begin a beautiful day.
I'm been good, man.
Then, no.
Bad dog. No. I be good. I be good.
No, I'm just saying it's a good day to start.
Yeah, no cap. Whenever you can stop. Hey, right now, I think it's going like almost, I ain't gonna say 2 months. I say it probably been 1 month. No cigarettes.
That's good. Good. That's why I hate to smoke a cigarette.
You good? You can do it. You can do
it. Let you know
I mean, good.
I'm truly fuck whatever, For that reason, yeah.
I think I don't even be around people who smoke them. That's why shit. I don't even care. For shit. And then the only reason.
No, but I don't. That ain't what I like to do.
Oh,
rhyme. You hear me?
Yeah, no, man, you better get your puff and shit.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That shit, let me get my puff and shit.
Well, I'm just,
shit. I'm
that's why I told you that's a habit. Right?
Yeah,
is that a habit? Me want to smoke a cigarette?
No, it just go together. For real, just go together, man. That's just like a combination. You know, somebody get used to that one combination, man. That's how you want it to be, man. For real.
It's just
when I come out here, shit, I sit down. I gotta have it. I sit down right. So hey, you gotta get everything right. And that's how I look at it. Oh,
sometimes.
Yeah, I gotta get everything right. I ain't gonna lie to you, shit. That's just a combination you got. You know what I'm talking about? Don't have that, you be like, damn, I'm forgetting something. Yeah, that's your combination. You got that cup, you gotta have your good squat. I used to be like that too. When I finish smoking, I gotta have your new. But then.
You
know, when I finish smoking, I gotta have a cigarette. When I finish eating. Yeah, I used to be like that.
I wouldn't smoke. I'm telling you, I ain't smoking 15 years.
You can wait.
I sold cigarettes.
Yeah, y'all do that.
I never